maze game. For that we need a maze. I already downloaded the maze from the internet. This is my maze for the game. Let's select a sprite. I selected the sprite. Decrease the size. Okay. And we need food for the dog. Okay. I downloaded it from the internet. We'll decrease the size. Okay, now we'll write the code. When up arrow key pressed, it should move. Dog sprite should move up. When down arrow key pressed, it should move down. When right arrow key pressed, it should move right. When left arrow key pressed, it should move left. For that, we write the code. Go to dog sprite, click on dog. When up arrow key pressed, go to motion, change y by 5. Go to events. When down arrow key pressed, when right arrow key pressed, when left arrow key pressed. Then go to motion, change. When down arrow key pressed, our sprite should come down. So change y by -5. When right arrow key pressed, change x by 5. When right arrow key pressed, it should move towards right. When left arrow key pressed, it should move towards left. So change x by -5. Now let's check. I am pressing right arrow, it is going rightwards, left, up, down. Fine. Now it should not go through these lines. Okay, it should go only from the space. For that, we'll go to controls, drag a if condition, and then go to sensing. If touching color, if it touches color, here we have in my maze, I have two colors. One is dark black and one is light black. So better to use OR operator. If touching color, I'll select this R, go to sensing. Sorry. if it touches any of these colors, then change y by -5. It has to come back. When up arrow click pressed, change y by 5. If it touches any of the colors, then change y by -5. It comes to its position. Duplicate. In the same way, when down arrow key pressed, change y by -5. If touching color, change y by 5. It should come back. In the same way, when right arrow key pressed, change x by 5. If touching this color, then change x by -5. Duplicate. When left arrow key pressed, change x by -5. If it touches this color, then change x by 5. Now we'll see how it works. It's not going through the line. Better to decrease the size. Still more. It's not going through. Even though I'm pressing the right key, but it's not going through the line. Now we'll start our actual code. When green flag clicks, the dog should be in its position. So go to motion, drag, go to it right now. This position is -116 y-axis and x-axis is -116 and y is -162. So just go and drag it because we already kept it in its position. Next, go to controls, drag forever, and our aim is if it touches the bone, our game is over. So go to controls, drag if condition, sensing, if touching dog bone, go to loops, say game over. Say game over, and I also need an effect of clapping. Go to sounds, choose a sound. I need clapping. Okay, go to code, start sound, clapping, and then once it touches, let's stop our program. Stop all. All sprites in the program will stop. Go to the sprite dog bone. When green flag clicks, it should be in its position, in its current position. So go to motion, drag its current position. Okay, let's check how it works. Game over. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.